Gemini, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At titingnan natin kung ano yung bagong kabanata na magbubukas para sa inyo. Itong reading na to ay ibabase natin sa transit ng Saturn. Okay? So, si Saturn, magta-transit siya from February 2026 hanggang April 2028 sa sign ng Aries. So, there's a big shift happening ngayong February. Ito ay combination ng astrology and tarot and oracle reading. So, mas maganda rin na malaman nyo yung rising sign ninyo. So, kung hindi nyo pa alam yung rising sign ninyo, i-type nyo lang sa Google, how to know my rising sign. Tapos, meron kayong i-fill up na information, especially yung time of birth ninyo, no? Yung birth details, time of birth, and then the place of birth. Tapos malalaman nyo na kung anong rising sign ninyo. So, yun yung panoorin nyo na reading. Okay? Although, pwede rin naman, no, na mag-resonate kayo rito sa mga Gemini Sun or Gemini Moon. Okay. So, let's begin. For you, Gemini, itong transit ng Saturn is going to happen in your 11th house. This is about your friendship, your hopes, your dreams, your gains. So, actually, ang 11th house is a positive house. So, this is, maaring meron kang mga, throughout the years, no, February 2026 to April 2028, meron kang mga pangarap na matutupad. Pero itong pangarap na to, excuse me, meron pa rin akong kasi ubo. Itong pangarap na to, ay hindi siya yung madali mong makukuha. Kumbaga, it needs hard work. It needs planning. Kailangan nito ng focus, ng attention, ng disiplina, ng structure para mangyari. Okay? So, we will also experience yung meron kang mga discovery, discovery about your talents, your skills, no? This is opposite sa 5th house mo, which is about your creativity, being open to the public. Maaring ikaw ay you will go out of your way to show yourself to the world at i-showcase mo yung talents mo, yung skill set mo, yung abilities mo. Some of you naman, possible na magkaroon ng new member of the family. Maaring ikaw ay, if you're going to be sexually active during this transit, there's a possibility of a new member of the family, like a baby, or pwede rin mag-aasawa ka, no? Because this has a challenging aspect sa 8th house mo, which is ruled by Saturn. Yung 8th house mo is transformation, changes. This is also about being open to new experiences. Also, meron din sa 9th house to na aspect which is in Aquarius. So, this is about exploring your opportunities outside of your comfort zone. Pwedeng iba sa inyo kung dati takot kayo na mag-travel abroad or lumipat ng bahay. So, ngayon, maaring yun ang i-explore ninyo. Meron kayong pagkakataon na alamin yung iba pang kakayanan ninyo. Now, Neptune is also in your 11th house. Some of you, pwedeng kayo ay merong virality energy rito na kung ano man yung focus mo ngayon, kung saan ka mas nag-exert ng effort, maaring mas makilala ka doon. Okay? Doon ka mas makikilala. Kaya nga, piliin mo kung saan mo talaga gustong makilala at yun ang bigyan mo ng effort at attention. Kasi makukuha mo yun. Makukuha mo yung rewards, yung recognition na dinedeserve mo. I also see, pagdating sa career path, pwede rin may mga options available sa'yo. Ikaw na lang yung pipili kung saan ka mas interesado. Yun nga lang, minsan baka ma-feel mo na parang dahil madaming options, hindi ka makapili. Hindi ka makapag-settle kung saan. So, ngayon, babalik tayo dun sa gusto mo, 'di ba? Ano ba talaga yung gusto mo? So, yun yung maganda ngayon na i-identify mo na sa sarili mo what you really want. Para from there, no, meron ka ng magiging guide, no? You will start to plan kung paano mo yun maa-achieve. Kasi sayang yung energy na to na kung hindi mo to sasabayan, pwedeng mapag-iwanan ka na after 2 years, 3 years, nakita mo yung iba, malaki na yung pinagbago sa buhay nila. Tapos ikaw parang wala pa rin nangyari. So ito yung time na ayusin mo yung sarili mo, yung perspective mo sa buhay, yung pananaw mo, at mag-take ka ng action doon sa mga pangarap mo, doon sa mga goals mo. Some of you, pwedeng isasantabi nyo na yung dating if you are single, or pwedeng magkaroon kayo ng mga challenges sa relationships ninyo, lalo na kung hindi naman pala seryoso yung person or ikaw, hindi ka ganun kaseryoso sa connection na to, and you will realize na may iba ka pa palang options or meron ka pang ibang interest or priorities. Okay, let's see what else, Gemini. You have Taurus, Mercury in Taurus in the second house. Okay, so I think marami ka ngayong mga ideas to make money. Some of you, gusto nyo ngayong mas mapalaki yung income ninyo. Maaring, excuse me, meron kang mga marirealize na ito yung subukan ko, ito yung gawin ko. Some of you, yung inyong boses, may talent kayo sa boses nyo. It's either you can use it to sing or to broadcast. Pwedeng mag-start ka ng podcast, content creation, narration, whatever. That you will use your speaking abilities or yung writing skills mo. You have Moon in Virgo in the 6th house. So, Moon in Virgo can be a challenging aspect for you. Maaring magkaroon kasi rito ng parang perfectionism na hindi ka gagalaw hanggat hindi perpekto yung simula mo. Minsan kasi yan yung nagiging dahilan kaya hindi natin nasisimula ng isang bagay na gusto natin dahil gusto natin perfect. Hindi naman kailangan perfect lahat. Kailangan lang magsimula ka. Kasi doon sa experience mo na yon, na kapag nagsimula ka, doon mo ma-realize na, kailangan ko pala to, or hindi naman pala talaga kailangan to. 'Di ba? You have the Sun in Scorpio in the 8th house. So, you have the endurance, yung lakas para harapin yung challenges na may experience mo during this transit. So, this is about clarity, no? Kaliwanagan sa mga bagay na gusto mo nang i-let go sa buhay mo, mga bagay, sitwasyon na hindi na nag-a-align sa pangarap mo. Kasi nga, ang focus mo rin ngayon is to finally achieve your goals and dreams. Pero, hindi siya ganun kadali para sa'yo. Ngayon, ikaw yung mag-guide sa sarili mo, where to go, what to do, at ano yung mga bagay na dapat mong i-let go at iwasan. You have the Mother of Pentacles, which is focusing on your finances, your stability, your resources. So, I see you na in this transit, itong 2.5 years of transit, you will focus on your stability, yung kaperahan mo, resources mo. Some of you, if you are planning to have a baby, like what I mentioned sa inyo kanina, lalo na sa mga first time na parent, mother, ayan. So, andyan yung energy for you. You have the Ace of Swords. This is new beginning, new inspiration, and solutions sa mga problema. So, for you, magiging madali rin na solusyonan yung mga problema na kakaharapin mo. Kumbaga, okay, andito yung problema, tapos alam mo na agad, okay, ito yung solusyon. So, hindi ka magtatagal doon sa problema na yon kasi bibigyan mo siya agad ng solusyon. You have, makes sense with the Death card. This is transformation. So, for you, Gemini, itong transit na to is going to be transformative. Na after 2.5 years, after April 2028, when you look back, sabihin mo na, ang laki na pala ng pinagbago ng buhay ko. Ibang-iba na. kumpara sa dati. So, mas malakas ka, mas orderly yung life mo, mas may direction yung life mo, mas may stability yung iyong finances, kasi nagiging proactive ka na gawa ng aksyon yung iyong mga challenges or problemang kakaharapin. And this is a sense of sa inyo, maturity. Magkakaroon kayo ng sense of maturity in how you deal with challenges, especially yung sa career path mo, especially your connections with people, and also yung creativity mo. Part nung mga madidiscover mo sa sarili mo is yung creative side mo na hindi mo nilalabas before, or hindi mo pa alam, or hindi mo pa nadidiscover. So this is also the time for you to discover your hidden talents. Leader of the light. Maari ring meron sa yung leadership role na mag-unfold ngayong transit na to, February 2026 to April 2028. Hindi naman kailangan na parang maging presidente ka ng isang bansa or ng isang korporasyon. It's just you have this leadership role na you take accountability and responsibility sa mga path na tinitake mo. So, where are you being called to serve and support others? This really makes sense kasi ang 11th house is about community. So, some of you, ang isa sa magiging pagbabago, no, or kabanata na magbubukas para sa'yo is you will lead a group or magiging inspirasyon ka ng maraming tao dahil na rin sa influence mo sa kanila on how you show yourself to the world. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.